So today's recipe is American chicken chopsy. Looks great, so let's go with the recipe. First we boil water, salt and oil and put the noodles till al dente. Strain the noodles and rush cold water with some oil and spread it out to stop the cooking. Spread some corn flour over it and toss well with the corn flour and we are ready to fry. Mix the corn flour very well with the noodles so that they become dry and coated. So we'll fry in a circular motion so that we get nice round discs of the fried noodles so that it's looks good for presentability. Flip it on and roast on the other side until golden brown. Voila, it's done. Now for the gravy, we have vegetables here, sliced carrots, diced cabbage and some diced capsicums and some cauliflower. It's nothing to be particular about the vegetables. You can have mushrooms, broccoli, baby corn, spring onions. Well, I had these, so I'm going with these. And some peas. French beans I have slit into long bites. Next we have the chicken. We'll go on with the chicken. I have cut into long strips and long dices like these, and we'll fry them now. First I'll season with them with salt and pepper because meat needs salt and pepper, and some soya sauce. We'll mix that well until it gets the flavor, and crack one egg into it, mix it and coat with a little corn flour. Deep fry it until golden and crispy. Now we'll start the gravy by adding some oil in the pot. I have some ginger and garlic here. Ginger made into juliennes, long thin strips, and garlic I've taken large pods which I've sliced widthwise thinly so that I get nice strips. I'm gonna add that into the oil now and fry. So let's begin. In goes the ginger and garlic first along with the vegetables. With that, I will keep the flame high here so that the vegetables are nice and crunchy and do not become soggy at the moment. I will add all the vegetables and keep stirring that. I will be needing half a cup of full tomato sauce and 1/4 cup of Szechuan chutney, or you can use any red chili sauce of your choice. With that, I will need dark soya sauce, about 2 to 3 teaspoons. So now the vegetables look crunchy and stirred well into the oil. I will be adding the sauces now. In goes the tomato ketchup and the Ching's Szechuan sauce and the soya sauce. Now I'll give it a good mix so that the vegetables are coated. For more spice, I'm using some red chili flakes here, but this depends on your spice level. So check your seasonings as per your taste. And I will add some vinegar, about 1 teaspoon. Again, that will be according to your sourness. The vegetables are cooking well. I will be needing 1 liter of water, that is this jug full of water. And I will put in everything and I'll allow the vegetables to cook along with the sauces and the water and wait for it to bubble. I've used up everything. I will be adding a pinch of red food color for the a pinch of sugar here and checking the seasonings with some salt. I'm taking a cup of water and adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of corn flour here and making it a good slurry here. This will thicken my gravy and give the real effect of a Chinese gravy. So I've taken about 2 spoons here and adding that to the final touches of the gravy. And after this, I'll just cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame and the gravy is done. Enjoy your chopsy hot and along with some green chilies in vinegar. See you.